We are now going to learn how to apply royale play wall textures. Royale play pattern name: Mysore Palace. Material required for creating Mysore Palace pattern are royale play metallics and royale luxury emulsion. Tools required for creating Mysore Palace pattern are ragging roller, yarn tool, royale roller, application roller, measuring tape, half-inch masking tape, true care painting tray and touch-up brush if required. Steps of application to create this pattern are: Step 1. Primer plus putty plus primer. Step 2. Apply 2 coats of royale luxury emulsion. Step 3. Measure, mark and stick the masking tape. Step 4. Apply and create pattern using first shade of royale play. Step 5. Apply and create pattern using second shade of royale play. Application procedure for royale play Mysore Palace pattern. First, apply primer putty primer. Prepare primer putty primer finish surface. Surface should be leveled enough and free from any kind of defects. Second step is application of royale luxury emulsion. Apply 2 coats of royale luxury emulsion selected from the desired shade combination. Step 3 is to measure, mark and stick the masking tape. This pattern is created using specific scale, which is divided into 3 parts. Part 1 is to mark the center of the wall and divide the total width of the wall into half of its width from the center. For example, if the total width of the wall is 10 feet, then mark the center area of the wall, which will be 5 feet in width. That is 2.5 feet from left hand side and right hand side from the center. Part 2 is to measure 1/10 feet area to the left and right side from the masked area of part 1. For example, if the wall is 10 feet, which is 120 inches wide, then measure and mark 1 feet 12 inches width to the both sides of the masked area from part 1. Part 3 is to cover rest of the wall with royale play application. Let's see the same practically. The wall selected here is 8 feet wide. We will be marking 4 feet area from the center of the wall. We will be pasting half-inch masking tape on the other side of the marked area. This is how we complete the first part of the measurements. For part 2, we will be taking 1/10 of the wall size, which is 9.6 inches. To make it easier, we'll mark the 10th inch on both sides of the marked area. For part 3, we will cover the rest of the area. Apply first shade of royale play by the means of application roller in the area marked part 1. Create disc-like pattern within part 1 area. This pattern can be created using ragging roller as shown in the video. Pay attention to clean the roller regularly to maintain consistency during application. This same shade can be applied to part 2 and part 3 area as well. This portion is to be textured with a different pattern. Use yarn tool to make fine vertical lines throughout this portion. Maintain uniformity to get the best out of this pattern. Remove the masking tape and allow the first shade to dry completely for 8 to 12 hours or overnight. Let's see how to apply the second shade of royale play. Stick masking tape to cover part 3 of the wall and apply royale play by means of application roller. Create pattern using yarn tool just the way we did earlier and remove masking tape. Coverage and drying time. Coverage for royale luxury emulsion: 140 to 160 square feet per liter for 2 coats. Coverage for royale play: 100 square feet per liter for 1 coat. Drying time for royale luxury emulsion: 3 to 4 hours for each coat. Drying time for royale play: 8 to 12 hours or overnight.